At the dentist. Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I have an appointment.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Please sit down. How can I help you?
I have a toothache.
Let me check. Open your mouth, please.
Ah, it hurts.
You need a filling. It's not serious.
How long will it take?
It will take about 20 minutes.
Will it hurt?
No, you will feel just a little pressure.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. We will start now.
At the post office. Hi, I need to send a package.
Sure, where is it going?
It's going to New York.
Is it heavy?
No, it's not very heavy.
Okay, let me weigh it. It will cost $10 to send it.
That's fine. Do you have any boxes?
Yes, we have boxes here. Would you like a small or medium one?
I'll take the medium box.
All right, here you go. Do you need help packing it?
Yes, please. Can you help me?
Of course. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you. How long will it take to arrive?
It will arrive in 3 to 5 days.
Great. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Your package is all set.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
At the movie theater. Hi, do you have your tickets?
Yes, I do. Here they are.
Great. What movie are we watching?
We're watching the new action movie.
I've heard it's really good.
Yes, I'm excited. Let's find our seats.
It's a little dark in here.
Yes, the lights are off now. We'll be fine.
Do you want popcorn or a drink?
I'll take some popcorn and a soda.
I'll have the same.
Here comes the movie trailer.
I think it's starting soon.
Yes, the lights are going down.
I can't wait to watch it.
Me neither. Let's enjoy the movie.
In the car. Are we ready to go?
Yes, I just need to put on my seatbelt.
Good. I'll start the engine now.
How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 30 minutes.
Are we taking the highway?
Yes, it's the fastest route.
Do you want me to help with navigation?
No, I've got the GPS ready.
Great. Let me know if you need anything.
Will do. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Sounds good. Thanks for driving.
At the gym. Hi. Are you ready to exercise?
Yes, I am. I want to get stronger.
That's great. What will you do first?
I will start with some warm-up exercises.
Good idea. I usually do stretching first.
How long do you stretch?
About 5 minutes. It helps prevent injuries.
I will try that. Then I will lift weights.
How many sets will you do?
I will do 3 sets of 10.
Sounds good. I prefer running on the treadmill.
Running is a good cardio exercise.
Yes, it helps with my fitness.
I will try running next time.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm not feeling well. I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
For about 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do. It's about 101 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, I'll check your temperature and listen to your lungs.
Thank you.
Your temperature is high. I recommend you rest and drink plenty of water.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, you can take some pain relievers for your headache and fever.
How often should I take them?
Every 4 to 6 hours, but not more than 3 times a day.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
I will, thanks.
At the art gallery. Welcome to the art gallery.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
Let me show you around. Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy looking at paintings.
Great! This painting is by a famous artist.
It's beautiful. What's the name of the artist?
His name is Pablo Picasso.
I've heard of him. What is this painting about?
It's called The Weeping Woman. It shows sadness.
I see. What about this one?
This is a landscape painting. It shows a calm river.
I like it. It's very peaceful.
Yes, it's one of the most popular paintings here.
I can see why. It's very nice. At the market. What do you want to buy today?
I need some vegetables and fruit.
Are you looking for anything special?
Yes, I need tomatoes and apples.
The tomatoes are fresh today.
Great! How much are they?
They are $2 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds. What about the apples?
They're $1.50 per pound.
I'll take 3 pounds, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I need some bread and eggs.
The bread is over there. The eggs are on the shelf.
Thank you. How much is everything?
Your total is $10.50.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
At the train station. Where are you going?
I am going to the city. What about you?
I am going to visit my friend.
Are you taking the train?
Yes, I am. It's faster.
What time is your train?
My train leaves at 10:30.
Mine leaves at 11 o'clock.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel by train every week.
How long is the trip?
About 1 hour. It's not too long.
Do you like train rides?
Yes, I do. It's comfortable.
That's good. I hope my trip is nice too.
In the mall. Hi, are you looking for something?
Yes, I'm looking for a new jacket.
The store on the left has some nice ones.
Thanks. I'll check it out. What about you?
I'm looking for shoes. I think I'll go to the shoe store.
That sounds good. Do you want to grab lunch later?
Sure, I'm hungry. How about the food court?
Perfect. We can get something quick.
I need to buy a gift for my friend too.
There's a gift shop near the entrance. You should check it out.
I will. Let's meet in the food court after shopping.
Sounds like a plan. See you soon.
On a picnic. This is a nice spot for a picnic.
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect today.
I brought some sandwiches and fruit. What did you bring?
I have some chips and cookies.
Great. Let's eat.
This sandwich is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. The fruit is fresh too.
Yes, the apples are really sweet.
Do you want to play a game after we eat?
Sure. We could play frisbee.
Sounds fun. Let's finish our food first.
Okay, then we can enjoy the game.
It's a perfect day for a picnic.
Yes, it really is.
In the classroom. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Let's start the lesson. Please open your book.
Okay,
Can you read the first sentence, please?
yes, I can. This is a cat.
Very good. Now, what is this?
It's a pen.
Great. And this?
It's a pencil.
Well done. Now, let's practice numbers. What is 2 plus 2?
It's 4.
Good job. Let's take a break now.
Thank you, teacher.